Hey everybody, this is Myra again. I'm here with Andrea from A&G Biomedical. Today we're gonna do a little competency or a competition. I don't know exactly how to say that. How to replace a bezel. Thank you. How to replace a bezel on an Alaris pump. So take a look at this video.
First of all, you have to remove the 2 screws in the back and the 4 screws that hold the 2 IUI connectors. Take out the 2 IUI connectors and pull out the case. The 2 boards that you see on each side of the bezel have to be removed. The blue piece called AIL or air inline sensor has to come off. Now we have to remove the inner door that is being held by a black pin or snap rivet. Open the back of the door because we need to have access to the cable that is connected to the board. Take out the frame membrane assembly so we can have access to the pressure sensors. Now we use the new bezel and we do the same process but reverse. Start connecting cables, putting screws back, snapping the snap rivets, and putting all the pieces back together. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have an idea, suggestion, question, or anything.
And I won. Thank you for inviting me to your channel. Everything that Mayra has there is very interesting. I've been watching her channel for a few months. I think that you started a few months ago.
Yes, I think I started like it's like 6 months ago. I think I opened my YouTube channel.
And just for the records, I'm not a technician, I'm a sales rep. I've been trying to learn. I'm very interested about the repairs on the infusion pumps, on the PCU units. So we were doing a trial here, but I'm not repairing anyone.
And this is my first time opening one of these machines, so thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to watch my other videos. I'll be posting more stuff. Thanks. Bye.